Al-Qiyamah, the resurrection. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
لا أقسم بيوم القيامة.
Nay, it is not like what you imagine. I swear by the day of resurrection.
ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة.
And I swear by the self-reproaching soul at the doing of an evil deed as an evidence to the truth of final resurrection.
أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه.
Does a human being think that we will not assemble his bones? We will indeed.
بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه.
No doubt, we have the power to reproduce him to a complete form, even to the very tips of his fingers.
بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه.
His denial of resurrection is because a human being likes to continue in his evil ways in the life that is before him, without fearing the consequences of his deeds.
يسأل أيان يوم القيامة.
He asks with contempt and doubt, when shall the day of resurrection come to be?
فإذا برق البصر.
It shall be the day when the sight of a person is confused, and he is confounded for being unable to find the right course.
وخسف القمر.
And the moon will eclipse.
وجمع الشمس والقمر.
And the sun and the moon will be brought together.
يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر.
The human being shall say on that day, whither to flee?
كلا لا وزر.
To nowhere at all. There is no refuge.
إلى ربك يومئذ المستقر.
Upon that day the recourse shall be to your Lord.
ينبأ الإنسان يومئذ بما قدم وأخر.
Upon that day every soul shall be informed about all his commissions and omissions.
بل الإنسان على نفسه بصيرة.
Rather, a human being is himself well aware of his own self, and so himself is a witness against his own soul.
ولو ألقى معاذيره.
No excuse will be accepted from him, even though he puts forth all possible excuses to prove his innocence.
لا تحرك به لسانك لتعجل به.
Prophet, when we reveal the Quran, do not move your tongue with a mind to repeat this revelation in order to commit it to your memory hurriedly.
إن علينا جمعه وقرآنه.
The responsibility of its collection and its arrangement lies on us.
فإذا قرأناه فاتبع قرآنه.
When we recite it, then follow its recitation.
ثم إن علينا بيانه.
The responsibility of explaining it lies again on us.
كلا بل تحبون العاجلة.
Behold, you people love the present transient life
وتذرون الآخرة.
and neglect the hereafter.
وجوه يومئذ ناضرة.
On that day, some faces will be fresh, beaming and bright,
إلى ربها ناظرة.
looking absorbed in the vision of their Lord.
ووجوه يومئذ باسرة.
And also on that day, some faces will look gloomy and dismal,
تظن أن يفعل بها فاقرة.
because they will realize that a back-breaking calamity is about to befall them.
كلا إذا بلغت التراقي.
Behold, when it, the soul of a dying person, reaches the throat to leave his body in death.
وقيل من راق.
And when those around the dying person say, "Who is the physician to cure and save him?"
وظن أنه الفراق.
And he himself realizes that it is the time of parting.
والتفت الساق بالساق.
And one shank rubs against the other in death agony, and one distress will be combined with another distress for the departing soul.
إلى ربك يومئذ المساق.
On that day, people will be driven towards your Lord to reap the fruit of the deeds done in this life.
فلا صدق ولا صلى.
For this person, being unmindful of the consequences, neither accepted the truth nor offered prayer.
ولكن كذب وتولى.
Rather, he cried lies to the truth and to the prophet, and turned away, refusing to obey his commandments.
ثم ذهب إلى أهله يتمطى.
Then he went to his kinfolk, strutting along in false pride.
أولى لك فأولى.
Woe be to you, then woe upon you in this very life.
ثم أولى لك فأولى.
Again, in the hereafter, woe be to you, then woe upon woe.
أيحسب الإنسان أن يترك سدى.
Does a person think that he will be left alone without purpose?
ألم يك نطفة من مني يمنى.
Was he not a small drop of semen ejected into a proper place?
ثم كان علقة فخلق فسوى.
Which drop then became a clot of blood? Then he fashioned him through various stages and perfected him in his make.
فجعل منه الزوجين الذكر والأنثى.
Then he made of him a pair, the male and the female.
أليس ذلك بقادر على أن يحيي الموتى.
Has not such a one who creates from an inanimate source the power of raising the physically and spiritually dead to life?